Hello everyone, now we are going to study the concept of price elasticity of supply. Price elasticity of supply is a measurement. This is a measurement of percentage change in quantity supplied of a commodity. Percentage change in quantity supplied of a commodity in response to some percentage change in its own price. Done. It is a measurement which tells us the percentage change in quantity supplied due to percentage change in its own price. As we have studied the law of supply, but there is one difference. Difference is that law of supply tells us the direction in which supply will change as a result of change in its own price of the commodity. Like a fall in price will lead to contraction of supply and rise in price will lead to extension of supply. But if we want to measure the extent of extension and contraction of supply, if we want to know that due to change in the price, what and which amount of change occurred in the quantity supplied, then we will have to study the concept of price elasticity of supply. Then come to the measurement. How can we measure the price elasticity of supply? As we did in the chapter of demand, we did the percentage change method. Here the same method we will apply, percentage change method. According to this method, elasticity of supply means ES, elasticity of supply is the ratio. It is the ratio between percentage change in quantity supplied and percentage change in price of the commodity. Here we can also describe it in the form of formula. Elasticity of supply is equal to percentage change in quantity supplied over percentage change in the price. Here is the sign of minus also, because with the increase in price, quantity supplied will decrease, and there can be the sign of negative. So for that we are using this sign. So remember the formula first: percentage change in quantity supplied over percentage change in the price. Just to see how can we solve the practicals with the help of percentage change method. As we know, elasticity of supply is measured like percentage change in quantity supplied over percentage change in price. This is the formula. Done. And now how can we solve like this? Just to see that percentage change in quantity supplied, how can we measure it? Percentage change in quantity supplied. For this we are going to use the formula like change in quantity divided by the original quantity multiplied by 100. What is change in quantity? Change in quantity, that is calculated like Q1 minus Q. Q1 is the new quantity that must be given in the question, and Q is the original quantity. Alright, now percentage change in price. Now how we can solve it? Percentage change in price, we'll have to use the formula like change in price over original price multiplied by 100. Change in price we are going to find like P1 minus P. So P1 is the new price and P is the original price that must be given in the question. So if we put the values in the formula, percentage change in quantity supplied as this and percentage change in price as this, then we will get like elasticity of supply is equal to change in quantity over quantity multiplied by 100 divided by change in price over price multiplied by 100. It will be like this, and we will get this one only over change in price over price. So we can also solve it. Elasticity of supply, that would be like this one, change in quantity over quantity, and we will just multiply it. This is in division, we can multiply it like, and it would be reciprocal, reverse, change in price. And we can also write it as change in quantity over change in price multiplied by P over Q. So we can directly use this formula also. This is the practical problem. A producer offers to sell 400 units of a commodity when its price is rupees 10 per unit. 400 original quantity and rupees 10 is the original price, while only 200 units are offered if price reduces to 5 per unit. Okay, after that he decided that only 200 units he will offer. Now these 200 units are the new quantity and rupees 5 is the new price, and we'll have to find elasticity of supply. Let's solve it. Then we can have these Q, original Q is 400 and Q1 is 200. Original P is 10 and new price is 5. Now we are going to find the change in Q, change in quantity. How can we find? Q1 minus Q, that is Q1 is 200 minus Q is 400, we will get minus 200. And change in price we will find how? P1 minus P. P1 is 5 and P is 10, that is minus 5. Alright, then we will use the formula like elasticity of supply, that is equal to change in Q divided by change in price multiplied by P over Q. Then we will put the value. Change in Q, it is 200 minus 200, and change in P, that is minus 5 multiplied by price 10 and the original quantity, that is 400. Now we will solve it. Fine, this is 1. Minus, that is also deleted. Now we will find 1. Here elasticity of supply is equal to 1. This is the exact answer of the practical. You people can solve the practicals like this.